So, yeah. So, good evening, everyone. And here we are back to the new session of ESC Edutainment. And today I would like to
Sonal
share
ma'am,
that.
Gunika is going to welcome you.
Okay.
Yeah. Over to you, Gunika.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, dear respected ma'am. We are thrilled to welcome you to ESC Institute. Your presence is a blessing, and we are honored to have you with us. You inspire us with your wisdom, and your insight make us curious and eager to learn. The next 30 minutes are all yours. We are ready to absorb every word and idea you share with us. Thank you for being here. We are looking forward to a fantastic session. Over to you,
Wonderful.
respected Sonal ma'am.
Thank you so much for this wonderful welcome, Gunika. I'm very proud of you to wear this mantle of hosting. Hats off to you. Wonderful. So today
Thank
I
you,
would like
ma'am.
to share that if you all are aware of the topic of today, the hidden nuggets. Can anyone share with me what is actually hidden nuggets? Who will share?
Ma'am, the hidden talents.
What is the meaning of the hidden nuggets? The topic that I'm going to talk about today. Anyone can share? Do you all have a pen and a paper? Everyone, they are ready with a pen and a paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is actually the meaning of the hidden nuggets? Who will share? What are the hidden nuggets? Think, come on, wear your thinking caps. Have you heard of the word nuggets? Hidden
Yes, ma'am.
nuggets?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is actually, who will just share some little bit of clue about it? Anyone? Think.
Ma'am, Nakri type of like,
I'm sorry?
yeah, ma'am. So
The
I'm
hidden
not sure
nuggets,
about
I'm
this.
going to, yeah. So today's topic is about, I'm going to talk about, I think we all had a World Health Day on the 7th of April, okay? We had a World Health Day. So when we talk about health, what are we actually talking about the nuggets? What are the nuggets of life that create a better health? Any, any one nugget that helps in creating a better health?
Proper diet.
Yes, what else? Think.
Exercise
Mindful
means
meditation.
timely exercise which we have to
Excuse
do.
me.
Yes, Madhuji.
May I? May I?
Proper hygiene. Proper hygiene.
Yes, what else?
Proper
We have
health,
to
hygiene,
get
plenty of water, proper diet,
proper
Yes.
exercise,
balanced
And
diet.
positive thinking.
We have
okay,
to get
anything
Mental
else?
proper.
health. To
We
healthy
have
mind,
to get
we should
avoid
do
junk food.
mindful
Avoid junk
meditation.
food. Avoid
Okay,
junk food.
okay. So one thing I would like to
Nutritious
share
food.
about, see, we all spoke about the things that we can eat or drink, isn't it? Well,
Yes, ma'am.
that is helping us to create a better health. Apart from this, what else is there that helps in creating a better?
Ma'am, that we
If
have to
you
get
write,
Meditation.
if
or sleep.
Meditation.
Positive thinking.
Yeah, so on a paper, I want you to write Nuggets in a vertical order. In a vertical order. Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
all spoke about good hygiene. We all spoke about water. We all spoke about things. Apart from that, I want each one of you write from N. What is it that is connected to something non-eatable, but is very, very useful for creating a better health? So from NUGGETS, I want you to write something that you cannot eat, that you cannot drink, but helps in creating a better health. So everyone will write their own from NUGGETS. You cannot eat, you cannot drink. It is not a part of hygiene or sanitation or anything. Something else. Think.
Exercise.
I'm sorry.
Exercise.
Okay, very good. What else?
Positive
Proper
thinking.
sleep.
Yeah, all of you write,
Meditation.
all of you write in a paper first, and then I will call one by one. Everyone done? Who is ready? Who is ready with the first NUGGETS? Ready? Ramandeep ji,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And who is ready? Gunika, are you ready? Okay. So I will start with Gunika first. Let me know what you have written, Gunika. NUGGETS. Gunika, I'll
Yes.
start with you.
Yeah, ma'am. And for nutrients, from U, G, G, T, I can't get, but from E, exercise, and S, with S is it sleep.
Okay. And who is ready? Next one. Swati, are you ready? Please switch on your cameras.
Yeah, some problem is
Yeah.
so I am trying to on, but it's not.
In the meantime, I'll take someone else. Ramandeep, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Number first is N word. Like avoid negative thoughts. And G for ma'am, gym and exercises we have to do. And S for stop overthinking. T for like thoughts, work on thoughts, positive thoughts. We have to like work on positive
Okay.
thoughts.
Who
Yeah.
is ready next? Anyone else? Please put your hands up. If you're ready, please put your hands up so that I can call you. I think this you may not have heard anyway. This session is a little bit different from what we were doing, but it's going to be a very useful one for you.
Guys, kindly raise your hand. Ma'am is asking you to raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand. Who wants to speak?
Those who are ready, please raise your hand so that I can call you. Rimpy, okay, you're ready. Please say.
Ma'am, from M, nutrition, from U,
Okay,
urinary system,
okay.
from G, games, 1G, I can't get, and from E, exercise, from T, time management, and from S, sleep.
Wonderful. Excellent. Who is ready next? Such a wonderful one. Next.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
all are ready? Please put your hands up so that we can take one by one fast.
yes, I have already put my hand.
Yeah, Madhuji, please tell me.
Yes. for nutrition,
Yes.
then U for keeping yourself updated, G for gym, and G for growth, E for exercise, T for time management or positive thinking, S for sleep.
Wonderful. Excellent. So let me take 2, 3 more and then I'll explain what is it actually. And whatever I'm going to tell you, you will do it tonight at night before you sleep. It's going to be very, very beneficial for each one of you. Who is ready next so that we can have some different perspective? Come on, Pavani, come. Please tell me.
Ma'am, from and nutritions, from U, unity, for G, games, from T, time value, from E, exercise, from S, proper sleep.
Wonderful. Excellent. Next one, last one, and then we will go to the next heading of this. Who is ready? Next one, something different. Hurry up. Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3. Hurry up. Tick, tick 4, tick, tick 5. Yes, Vinita, come on,
Yes, ma'am.
say. Yes, Vinita,
Yes,
say.
ma'am. I wanted to take
N for
Ankit.
negative, N for negative, U for unity, G for growth, E for exercise, T for positive thinking, and S for proper sleep.
Wonderful. Who is next? Last one. Anyone else? Something different. Put on your thinking caps. Tick, tick 1, tick, tick 2, tick, tick 3, tick, tick 4, tick, tick 5. Hurry up. Yes, Anjali.
N for nutrition or remove the negativity. U for understand our body. G for gym. Next G for genuine or growth. E for exercise. T for time management or train our mind. S for sleep.
Excellent. Wonderful. See, all of you have gone beyond the education. You have gone beyond the education. That is, you have gone beyond the nutrition also. So if you talk about nuggets to anyone, they will all think about diet, water, balanced diet, hygiene. Here we are going to talk about the hidden nuggets, different from what others think. So the nuggets means we all love to eat nuggets, okay? Popcorn nuggets or whatever nuggets are there. We all love to eat. And this nuggets is something that is going to be a blessing for all of you. Like, for example, when we talk about the hidden nuggets in life, not for the body, but for the life. So that is called as number one, who you have told me, nutrition. So without nutrition, our body won't be able to survive. So in order to breathe, in order to live the life of sustainability, we need to have proper nutrition, number one. That is the main. Number two, some of you spoke about unity, some of you spoke about different. Unity is actually about togetherness. When you support each other, when you unite together to create a better world, when you connect interculturally with different people from across the globes, unity is also one of the best factors, the best nuggets to welcome the blessings in life. So without unity, without support, you cannot achieve anything. You have to be supportive, unite with people to be successful. Then we have G, somebody told about games. Excellent. Why games? Because games are physical exercises, physical activities. So when you play games, whether you're playing indoor games or whether you're playing outdoor games, games are important part of life. So whether you're participating in an antakshari, whether you're playing anything, whether you're drawing, coloring, they are all a part of games. So we all need games as a part of our life survival. So without games, our body will just drain and drowse like this. So games reactivate our brain cells, reactivate our body cells, and automatically the functioning of the body happens. So that is why games are very necessary. The second G is growth. So in order to have all this, you will grow, not only in terms of height or body or weight, but grow as a person, intellectually, spiritually, enlightened mentally. And apart from all these things, you grow as a beautiful human being. So when you have all this in a perfect balanced diet, we all know balanced diet. This is also part of a balanced diet in life. When we include these nuggets in life, they are called as the hidden nuggets. So growth इससे होती है. This is what helps us to grow. And then we have T. Somebody told about thinking. Yes, it can be creative thinking. It can be spiritual thinking. It can be brainstorming activities, Sudoku, crossword, puzzles. So it all involves thinking of the brain. So when our brain is constantly thinking and using the gray cells and the white cells, our brain keeps functioning better and it automatically helps the body re-energize. And the last one is smile. Smile is biggest nugget. No matter whatever circumstance, no matter whatever weather you are facing, no matter whatever hardship, smile, keep on smiling. Smile is that antidote or that kind of a vaccination that is going to help you carry on with life's challenges, whether it's rain, storm, sunshine, feeling blue, feeling low. So all these nuggets of life help you grow as a person, as a human being also. Yes, coach, please tell.
Ma'am, N for nutrients, U for utility, G for growth, E for exercise, T for time management, S
Wonderful.
for sunlight.
So why time management? Time doesn't wait for anyone. So don't waste time at any cost. Even if you're not doing anything, listen to music. Music is wonderful therapy. Even if you're not doing any studies and you're done with your studies, your results, your vacation, listen to the music and draw. See the waves of the music, how they will get carved on the paper through your hand movements. So these are all hidden nuggets of life. These are all hidden nuggets that help you grow as a person also. So these are what is actually needed as a part of life, as a part of learning for becoming a better person. So anyone wants to share anything apart from this? Anyone? What else would you like to share? What else do you think can be a part of the hidden nuggets? Now you all know the basics.
Ma'am, and for nature, we can also include
Yes,
nature. It
yes,
also help
yes,
us.
Ma'am,
yes.
U for
Nature is also,
education.
yes. So nature is also very, very therapeutic for a body. The more you go out and take fresh air, the more you connect with nature, have a conversation with nature, speak with the nature and see nature smiling back at you. Because nature responds to each and every action given by us through our energies. So this is also very important, connecting with nature as a part of our daily routine, even if it's for just 5 or 10 minutes a day. And
Ma'am,
today before sleeping, today before sleeping, tomorrow is a full moon day and a very, very auspicious day for all. So tomorrow before sleeping, tonight, if you have any of the three wishes that you want, you have to write the three wishes on a paper, take a glass of water, and keep that wish, cover the water with a lid or something, and put that paper on the lid with the three wishes. Keep it under the moonlight for at least 6 hours, and in the morning, you have to drink that water. So, whatever wishes we have written on the paper, it will be fulfilled. Tomorrow is a very auspicious day for all of you. It comes very rare. So, the
Yes, ma'am.
full
It's
moon
a
day, which
water
we call
therapy.
as a pink
Ma'am,
moon,
we have
Hmm.
to do today.
yes, you have to write any three wishes, whatever three wishes you have. Fold the paper, keep it in a glass of water. The glass has to be a glass water, not in steel glass. It has to be a transparent glass. Cover it with a lid, put the paper on the lid, cover it with your right hand, and think that whatever you have written on the paper, you have achieved it. It has already come in your life in a past tense. And see those miracles happening, see those wishes getting fulfilled one by one, because tonight is a full moon day till tomorrow, 7 p.m. And do this ritual tonight and see all your wishes getting fulfilled. And this is all for today, the hidden nuggets from my side to all of you with lots of love and blessings for all.
Thank you so
Anything anyone
much.
wants to share with me?
Yes, ma'am, I want to share with
Yeah,
you.
please say.
Ma'am, WDCs are also important for Nagnet.
Wonderful. So anyone can sing any one song connected to this? Can anyone think of one song that is connected to today's topic, the hidden nuggets?
Ma'am, we have to make by ourselves.
Anything, whatever you can. Whatever song you know connected to today's topic. Can anyone think of a song connected to today's topic? It can be anything. You can make your own song also for today's topic. Let's see who is the best singer over here. Form your own lyrics, form your own topic connectivity of today with the song if you have anything in mind. I think when we were small, we used to sing this song, when you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yes or no? Yes or no? So you can sing that song, when you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, tip, tip. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. These are the small, small things that you need to keep doing so that you invite the blessings from the universe to keep your life totally happy, stress-free, and cheerful. So these kind of small songs you can incorporate. And what else can you sing for today's topic? Anyone else? Think, come on.
Nine.
Tick, tick,
Ma'am,
one,
there
tick, tick,
is a
two.
song.
Ma'am, can I make
Yes, please, yes.
hidden meaning of nuggets is and from nutrition and from nature, U from unity, G from greens, G from gym, time, T from time value, E from exercise, E from education, S from purposely, S from smile. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Excellent. Let us not clap for. Let us not clap for, because when you clap for others, you automatically invite blessings for yourselves also. So let us clap for her. Wonderful. Anyone else?
Thank you, ma'am, and everyone.
Ma'am,
Anyone else? Last one. Anyone can sing a song
ma'am,
connected to today's topic? If you know, yeah. Swati, please say.
ma'am, T for think positive.
Yes, wonderful. Say positive. Yes, wonderful. Any
And
other
positive
song? Does anyone
mindset.
sing? Rimpy, hurry up. Rimpy, say.
Ma'am, there is a song called It's a Beautiful Day.
Yeah, please
So
say.
it goes like, it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun. It's a beautiful day. We are shining through the stars. It's a beautiful day where we all go and sing together.
Wonderful.
It's a beautiful day where we live together. It's a beautiful day where we sing together. It's a beautiful day where we are happy and live. So yeah.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very good. Excellent. See, this is the way you all come up with the hidden nuggets in your own life. So these are the small hidden nuggets that are hidden inside you. So remove them, start having your own nuggets, eat them, and be cheerful no matter what. So anything anyone else want to share for today? How did you like today's topic and session? Was it a little bit different?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you so much,
ma'am.
ma'am, for this session. We really
Yes.
love, ma'am. We really love all the nuggets that you share with us, and definitely we implement all the things in our life.
We knew it for first time.
Very good. Wonderful.
It is
Heard
fascinating,
it.
ma'am.
Definitely
We learn so
in
many
our
things
Because
from
Yes,
it.
ma'am. It is very informative.
you all are from different countries, different cities, different colleges, and different innovative mindset. So absolutely, that's the reason I am given the global platform. And recently, Jenny ma'am was saying that in our last show that they don't know that what actually you are giving it to them. They are getting a global connection. And as I always say, that I'm always proud that I found all the diamonds, in my institution. So, but like because I know how you all. This is a very like a small gesture from our side, gratitude gesture, ma'am. So we would like to share
Oh
you
my
here.
God. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So
Thank you so
thanks a
much.
lot, ma'am. Gunika, you want
Thank
to
you.
end up?
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Dear
you.
respected ma'am, thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.
Everyone, should I go?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. Dear
Thank
respected
you.
ma'am, thank you so much. It was an amazing session. We We are all grateful to have a knowledge and insight you share with us. We wish we had more time, but we are excited to continue learning from you next month. Looking forward to it. Thank you again so much for making this session so informative and engaging. You are an inspiration to us all. Please come back soon. We can't wait to learn more from you.
Definitely, definitely. Very soon. Thank you so much. And do not
Thank you
forget
so
to do
much,
the
ma'am.
ritual that I've told you, because tomorrow is full moon day, and do it. See your wishes getting fulfilled, and all the best to each and everyone. Love and hugs to all.
And we would love to
Thank
have you
you.
tomorrow, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So please try to take out the time. Please do come. Right now, after the session itself, I'm inviting all the global educators for judging our tomorrow's show. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Let me know tomorrow's timing, then accordingly I will set the
Certainly, ma'am.
plan.
8 p.m.
Thank you
IST.
so
8
much.
p.m. IST, ma'am.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, and all the
Pleasure to
best
be
to
connecting.
everyone. All the best. Thank you.
Pleasure
Nice
to be connecting
connecting
with
with
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Nice connecting with you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am, I want
Pleasure
to
to
ask one
connect
question.
Pleasure to be connecting with you, ma'am.
Thank you.